You think you need iron plates to grow muscle? Pfft. I built these arms wrestling vines and peeling bananas with rage. I tell you secret, your body is gym. And if done right, calisthenics workout can beat weights in hypertrophy. Yes, even with hairy back like mine, we turn every gym lift into body weight exercise. From dumbbells to tree trunks, machines to monkey bars. Let's begin before your muscles cry from boredom. Let's start with arms. The ones that carry bananas, throw coconuts, and flex in puddles just to scare reflection. First, biceps. In human gym, you curl dumbbell like tiny tree trunk, yes? Sometimes seated like sloth on preacher bench. Or hammer curl with thumbs up like you asking ride from jungle taxi. But calisthenics say, no medal for you. So what you do, you grab rope, towel, or vine, anchor to door or tree. Now pull body up but not like chin up. Focus on curl motion. Elbow drive up, close to head, like you whisper sweet thing to own shoulder. That's body weight curl. Squeeze at top like banana about to burst. Want hammer variation? Change grip. Palms face each other. Same curl, different beast. This activate brachialis, secret muscle under bicep. It make whole arm look like python ate another python. Now triceps. Human go to gym and extend weight like launching banana to moon. You do triceps extensions? But in jungle, we got no barbell. We got triceps extension push-up. Start on wall, hands high, elbows bend, then straighten. Too easy? Move to table, then floor. Body stays plank, no saggy butt. You go from gentle push to savage rep, triceps cry, you laugh. Want more pain? Use rings, use TRX. Hang body, keep elbows narrow, lower head forward like charging gorilla. Push back. That's real jungle extension. Chest now. Let's break chest into delicious chunks. First, mid-chest. You like bench press at gym? Machine, dumbbell, barbell, all horizontal press. Replace with push-up. Push-up is holy grail of calisthenics workout at home. Start on wall, push away, then table, then floor. That's exposure therapy, like snake therapy but less hiss, more gains. When you go down, scapula retract, shoulders back, bottom position, chest proud. On way up, protract, push shoulders forward. It's not just arm move, it's gorilla level chest sculpting. Engage core, squeeze thighs. You soft in middle? Push up turn into belly flop. You stiff like log, now you strong. For upper chest, human at gym do incline bench press. We do decline push up, feet high, hands low. Body tilt down, now push, same angle, different jungle. Upper chest get big, birds build nest. Last is lower chest, gym have decline bench. Jungle have dips. Chair dips first. Sit, hands behind, lower butt, press up. Easy, use parallel bars, go deep, lean forward, keep shoulders down. No swinging like drunk monkey. Lower chest burn? You're doing right. Now back time. You not see it, but everyone else do. You better train. Let's begin with upper and middle back. In human gym, you sit, you row cable or machine like lazy riverboat. Here, no machine. Only vine, bar, or rings hanging from tree like nature's jungle gym. You lay under bar. Set feet flat, knees bent, grip overhand. Then you pull chest to bar. Squeeze shoulder blades like you try crack coconut between them. No jerky flopping like fish tossed on deck. This move is control, grace, jungle elegance. Master it with bent knees. Then, extend legs. Then move bar lower. Each step more savage than last. You go from lemur to silverback. Now try grip switch. Overhand grip hit more upper back, rhomboid, rear deltoid. Underhand sneak in bicep work tastes like double scoop jungle ice cream. Mix them up. Jungle full of flavors, you eat all. Now lats. The wings of the back. Make you look like cobra about to strike. At gym, you do lat pull down. At home, we pull ourselves up. That's right, pull-ups, chin-ups. You pick. Chin up, palms face you. More bicep. Pull up, palms away. More lat. Either way, you lift body like sacred idol from temple ruins. Use band under feet if you're strength hiding in bushes. When strong, throw band into volcano. Become pull-up ape god? Want secret sauce? Tension? Body must be tight like jungle drum. Legs together. Abs strong. Even squeeze butt like coconut in blender. You loose? You swing like wrecking ball. You tight? You fly like legend. Now we isolate lats. You want that V shape? The wingspan? Gym humans do straight arm pull down. We do front lever raise, hang from branch, lock shoulders, then raise body horizontal like spirit leaving jungle body. Can't do full raise? No problem. Start bent arms, raise to halfway, or do negatives. Lift up with cheat, lower down slow, like leaf on wind, controlled fall to glory. And for horizontal pulling strength? That's bent over row for gym. For jungle warriors, it's front lever row. From hang position, pull body horizontal, and row. You look like gorilla doing air canoe. Hard move, very spicy. Save for later. But write in banana journal, it's real, it's coming. Back not just looks strong, it is strong. You climb, swing, pull prey into tree. Back is base of upper body power. Don't neglect. Or back, neglect you. Shoulders next. The mighty caps on top of arms. Start with general shoulder power. Gym humans press dumbbells overhead. Not us. We press body. Do pike push-up. Get into upside down V shape. Butt high, head low, hands on ground, elbows bend, push up. This push not forward like push-up, but down like trying to crack coconut with head. Head must go forward as you lower, not just down. You want triangle shape with body, not sad slope like defeated mountain. Feel strong? Good. Now raise feet on block or rock. Elevated pike push-up. Harder. More weight on shoulders. Still not enough? Climb wall. Wall handstand push-up. This is jungle mastery. Start by kicking feet up to wall, then lower slow. Like leaf on breeze, but heavy one. Elbows stay close. No flaring. You flare? You monkey in panic. You tuck? You warrior in control. Now front of shoulder. The deltoid that says, I lift tree trunk for breakfast. Humans do front raise with a little dumbbell. We do pseudo planche push-up. Place hands low near waist, not chest. Lean forward so chest almost in front of hands. Now push. Body shake? That means you're alive. That means delts are cooking. More lean means more scream. You lean far enough, even ants applaud your form. Now rear deltoid. This muscle hide and back like shy monkey, but if weak, you hunch like banana peel. We do face pulls at gym, but body weight face pulls at home. Use rings or TRX. Set them above chest height. Hold tight, lean back, feet on ground. Now pull elbows wide, past ears, squeeze shoulder blades like you crack open jungle walnut. Start with bent knees. When ready, go straight legs. Body flat, pull strong. Now to the middle, the core. This is your jungle engine. No strong core, no strong anything. Core weak is like vine with no tension. Useless. Train obliques first. These are side muscles that twist and turn. Keep spine like king cobra. At gym, you do plate side bends. At home, we do side plank dip. Lay on side, elbow under shoulder, feet stacked, hips high, drop hips slow. Then up again, no crash. Smooth like Riverstone skip. Do both sides or jungle call you lopsided beast. Now anti-extension, the hollow body hold. This move make your abs weep. Lay flat. Tuck knees. Press lower back into ground like you're trapping bug. Arms by side or above head. Now extend legs, arms. Hover like a monkey hanging mid-swing. Shake like scared leaf. That's good. That's gain signal. Lower abs now. Everyone want them. No one trained them right. Do reverse crunches, no swing. Tuck knees in, roll pelvis up. Squeeze abs like you try make them juice banana. Then go to compact leg lifts. Lie back, raise legs short distance, tight control. Then hang from bar. Do knee raises first. Don't swing like vine, move with purpose. Then progress to straight leg raise. Jungle gives, jungle takes. Now legs. Do not skip. Jungle never respect top heavy monkey. You want tree trunk legs? You work for it. Start with quads. Bodyweight squats, stand tall, sit to chair behind, chest up, knees wide. Then stand. Go slow. Feel legs shake like thundercloud ready to burst. No rush. Just control. Add reps. Add depth. Earth tremble under you. Leg extensions? We do reverse Nordic curl. Kneel down. Feet flat behind. Glutes squeeze tight. Now lean back. Not fall. Lean. Go as far as can. Then return. You fall fast? No gain. Use band or wall to control. Quads will scream. You say thank you. And now hamstrings finish the show. Use rings or straps. Lay on back. Heels in straps. Hips up. Now curl feet towards you. Like dragging banana basket with heels. Start with both legs. Then, when strong, one leg. Control the move. Hamstrings turn into steel cables. Every muscle group now trained. You climb. You leap. You crush jungle fruit in hands just for fun. Want final wisdom? Calisthenics workout for beginners or beasts. Both get gains. You swap weightlifting for this jungle plan. Slowly or fully. You choose. Progressive overload. You don't need iron. You change leverage. Go slower. Do more reps. Rest less. Add hard variations. Body adapt. Body grow. But if your form is sloppy, results disappear like scared monkey. Strict form only. Jungle law. Train smart. Stay safe. Grow mighty. Now go watch this video next.